back to the channel. You go ahead. I hope y'all can hear me. Welcome back to Amazing Grace Garden, home to divine treasures. Okay, so in this particular video I am going to be planting a blueberry bush. Okay, I'm going to be planting a blueberry bush. I'm gonna show y'all what I have it in, and how I do it, how I plant blueberry bush. So simple. Okay, all right, so right now my son is bringing dirt. I have, now you can do this on a 5-gallon bucket if you want. I have one of the whiskey barrels. Okay, bring y'all some. See, like I can't get this thing right. Okay, so there we go. You can see me a little bit. I have one of the whiskey barrels that I had got on sale, and holes is all around at the bottom, a lot of holes. Okay, and he's pouring dirt in this from some of the buckets I got. Okay, so we just filling up the whiskey barrel and whatnot. So you want to make sure that you break up any dirt that you put in here. You want to break it up really, really good. You don't want it clunky and all that, because you want to make sure you got good drainage. Okay, make sure you got good drainage. So you want to make sure that you break it up really, really good. That's for any plants, okay. I really hope y'all can hear me over the lawnmower and the blower. the leaf blower and the mow is going. So Kylie, bring my shake and feed right there. So that's all I'm doing, y'all, is making sure I break all this up just like this. All right, y'all. Okay, so got dirt, and all I'm using, a lot of people have different things about what they use. I'm just using some Miracle-Gro. It's a sprinkle head. I'm just using some granulants from Miracle-Gro just to give my soil a little extra, okay, little nutrients or whatnot. And when I use my water soluble one, I do put the all-purpose one on here, Miracle-Gro. Okay. And then just mix this in really good. Don't do this, as they say, when the sun is out beaming down, because the granulates may burn the plant or something like that. Me personally, I have done it when the sun is out, and I haven't had that issue. But I'm not telling you to do that. I do not want you to waste your money. Alright? You're supposed to water it in good too when you're using any fertilizer. I mean, the rule of thumb is to use fertilizer early morning before the sun come out, or in the evening, so you can prevent the sun from burning your plants after you just put the fertilizer on there. The ingredients in it can cause plants to burn. Okay, all right, y'all, so this is the blueberry plant that I am going to be doing. Most of you probably saw I got this from Lowe's. It was $13.98. So I am going to, and it say this is the sharp blueberry plant. So I am going to be planting this one. Don't throw it in there like that. But I'm not worried about it myself. I ain't throw it hard. It might have looked like it, but I didn't throw it hard. But you want to be careful with your plant not to break it. Okay, so be careful with your plants. Okay, I need to dig a deeper hole to plant this. Okay. Alright. There we go. Now I'm just going to start covering it back up. You want to get it covered nice and well. Alright. Now it's all at home, it's all tucked in for the season and everything. So she is ready to go. I'm gonna put the type that she is, which is a sharp blueberry. It sounds like the well, if I can find my marker. It's like I always can't find something. Oh, here you go. It was blended in. Okay. It's almost like the chickens are agreeing with me, y'all. So let's go ahead and get sharp blue. Okay, so that's what it is. A sharp blueberry. All right. And there you have it, y'all. That was me planting a blueberry bush, a sharp blue. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all be safe and happy gardening. Remember, gardening is supposed to be fun. If you make it hard, it may not never get done. Alright, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Bye.